Image to 3D workspace inside of PicoBerry is where your 2D ideas finally become real, full-formed 3D models. This is the moment when your concept art stops being flat on the screen and turns into something you can rotate, inspect, remesh, texture, and eventually bring straight into Unity. Whether you're working with characters, props, or environments, this workspace gives you a fast, AI-assisted starting point that dramatically speeds up your asset creation. To get started, open the Image to 3D workspace and choose the type of model you want to generate. For example, PB Slim. From here, you can decide whether you're converting an image to 3D or generating a model directly from text. Next, choose whether you want mesh only or a full model with texture. Then set your target polygon count and your texture resolution. After that, upload or select your reference image. This can be a character, a prop, or an environment, anything that you're building. Once you hit generate, PicoBerry creates your model and displays it in the main 3D preview, where you can check the wireframe, the silhouette, and the overall details. You'll also see the face and vertex counts, which helps you decide whether you want to remesh, texture, or export the model for your next step. PicoBerry currently supports several 3D AI models, including PB Slim, PB Ultra, PB Standard, Triple, and Meshy. And more models are on the way, giving you even more flexibility depending on the style or performance level you need. Now, here's a quick tip while you're working in the workspace. Try generating the same reference image with two different model types, for example, PB Slim and Meshy. Each model interprets shapes and details a little differently, and comparing them side by side can help you pick the best starting point before you move into remeshing or texturing.